Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 12. Give and take. Topic. Adding three-digit numbers, addition with carrying. Kishan's nursery. Kishan runs a big plant nursery and he has a lot of saplings for villagers to grow in their houses. He had 364 saplings at first. Kishan's trip. One day, he visited his friend's village and brought 52 more saplings. How many saplings does Kishan have now? Let's add 364 saplings and 52 saplings to find out how many saplings Kishan has in total. Step 1. Add the ones place. First, let's add the ones place. In 364, the ones digit is 4. In 52, the ones digit is 2. Now, 4 plus 2 equals 6. So, we write 6 in the ones place. Step 2. Add the tens place. Next, let's add the tens place. In 364, the tens digit is 6. In 52, the tens digit is 5. Now, 6 plus 5 equals 11. Since 11 is more than 10, we will write 1 in the tens place and carry over the 1 to the hundreds place. Step 3. Add the hundreds place. Finally, let's add the hundreds place. In 364, the hundreds digit is 3. In 52, there are no hundreds, so we treat the hundreds as 0. Now, 3 plus 0 plus 1, carry over, is equal to 4. Putting it all together. In the ones place, we have 6. In the tens place, we have 1, with the carryover. In the hundreds place, we have 4. So, 364 saplings plus 52 saplings is equal to 416 saplings. Final answer. Kishan now has 416 saplings in total. Next topic, subtraction with borrowing, taking away. Kishan's order for school. Kishan has received an order to deliver 230 saplings to a school. He has already packed 75 saplings in an open box. Now, Kishan needs to pack more saplings to complete the order. Let's figure out how many more saplings he needs to pack. We can solve this by subtracting the saplings he has already packed from the total number of saplings. Next example. We start by looking at the ones place in the numbers. In 230, the ones digit is 0. In 75, the ones digit is 5. Step 1. Subtract the ones place. 0 is smaller than 5, so we need to borrow 110 from the tens place in 230. Now, we have 10 ones because 110 is equal to 10 ones and we can subtract 5 ones. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So, we write 5 in the ones place. Step 2. Subtract the tens place. Now, let's move to the tens place. After borrowing 110, we have two tens in 230. In 75, the tens digit is 7. Now, 2 tens minus 7 tens is not possible. So, we borrow 100 from the hundreds place in 230, which gives us 10 tens. Now, we have 12 tens in total. 12 tens minus 7 tens is equal to 5 tens. So, we write 5 in the tens place. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds place. Next, we look at the hundreds place. In 230, after borrowing 100, we are left with 100. In 75, there are no hundreds, so we subtract 0 from 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So, we write 1 in the hundreds place. Putting it all together. Now, let's put all the digits together. In the ones place, we have 5. In the tens place, we have 5. In the hundreds place, we have 1. So, 230 saplings minus 75 saplings is equal to 155 saplings. Final answer. Kishan needs to pack 155 more saplings to complete his order. Next topic, money then and now. Long ago in the village of Jadupur, people didn't have coins or notes. Instead, they exchanged things. Next example, Shamu Kaka gave 5 sacks of rice to Darya Didi. In return, Darya Didi gave him 10 sacks of vegetables. Then, Darya Didi gave 5 sacks of onions to Bablu Dada. He gave her 2 saris in return. This way, people gave what they had and took what they needed. This was called barter system, no money, just give and take. But there was a problem. Sometimes, it was hard to decide how many vegetables are equal to a sari or how much onion is equal to rice. So, people needed something common to buy and sell things. That's when money was introduced. Today, we use money. We use coins and notes to buy what we want. They have values like 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, and more. Let's see some examples. One 10 rupee note can buy 10 toffees. The same 10 rupee can also buy one Hawa Mithai, cotton candy. That means both toffees and Hawa Mithai cost 10 rupees, but Hawa Mithai costs more per piece. Now let's compare. Salma buys 2 bottles of milk for 100 rupees. Kiran buys 1 basket of pomegranates for 100 rupees. Which costs more, 1 bottle of milk or 1 pomegranate? Yes, 1 milk bottle costs more because 2 bottles is equal to 100 rupees, so 1 bottle is equal to 50 rupees. While 1 full basket of pomegranates is 100 rupees and it has many pomegranates. Thanks for watching.